Yeah. The hardest artist ain't dropped yet. Probably cause I spend my time trying to be the top vet. Homie, I'm a mess, like your shorty in the kitchen. Instrumental banging body, XO, we in the kitchen. A lot of hoes choosing and a lot of bitches picking. A lot of rappers hating, so which one's gonna be my victim? I just whip them, then I flick them. Yeah, toss them like my cancer. Hollows from the drummer, turn your ass into a dancer. Feds get to questioning, but no one has an answer. Find out you ratting, then the mafia gon' glance ya. If your kids around, the Lord has blessed you with a chance, bro. Real niggas, hands up, don't throw your sets up. I swear I do this for the streets, though. Dope boys, baby mamas, and for the tweets, yo. Lyrically defeat y'all. I don't wanna meet y'all. Beyonce ego. All I do is eat y'all.